Welcome back, my Kyrie Queens. For today's look, I'm going to be doing something a little sexy, a little sultry. If you guys would like to see how I achieved this look today, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Alright, so let's just jump into the tutorial. I already did my eyebrows before I came on camera. I am actually going to go in and use my NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. Just going to put that right on my lid. Just going to blend that. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to put on my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. I like to use this for a white base. I'm just going to take any type of blending brush or crease brush or anything like that and blending out the outer edges. Okay, so for my brow color, I'm gonna go into my Milani Luster Light palette, and I'm gonna use the shade Adulting, and that's right here. I'm gonna go into my Coastal Suns palette. This is the 252 color palette. So I'm going to go into my crease here, pack that in, and I like to pack the outer corner in and then blend everything out. I'm gonna go with some yellow in between the pink and the orange, just to give it that sunsetty look. Sunsetty. We just making it worse today, okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna go back into the Luster Light palette and get Style Icon. I'm gonna do that in the outer and the inner corner, and we'll see how that goes. I think we made a good choice, people. I think we made a good choice. I'm going to take a crease brush and I'm just going to blend out this purple here and bring it all the way through. Now we're going to use Long Rain and put it right here. See where the white is? You put it right where it meets the, or right where the purple meets the white. I'm gonna go in with a flat concealer brush, and also I'm gonna go in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil, but in the shade Yogurt. And I'm gonna do the same for the other eye. Alright, so I'm gonna go back into the Luster Light palette and use Spectacle. I love this color. And I'm gonna place that right on top of the yogurt. Just wanna make sure you blend these edges out as much as possible without going into the purple too much. Then I'm gonna go in with Sucker Punch. Where is Sucker Punch? Right here. Go right in between the purple and Spectacle. I have this loose shimmer from Coastal Scents. I'm not sure what it's called. It's been a while since I've had it, but I'm just gonna grab a little bit of that and put it on the very middle of my eye. I'm gonna take a little bit of that same shimmer, and to make my eyes pop a little bit, I'm gonna lightly put it on my eyebrow. Okay, so I do want to take a little bit of black, just a matte black. I got Maybelline Night Sky. I'm gonna take a little dab of that and put it on the outer corner of my eyes. Alright, so I'm just going to put on my mascara and my foundation. I'll be right back just to finish up the look. Hey my Kyrie Queens, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you this makeup look today. Hey my Kyrie Queens, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just sit back and enjoy the show.